y'all. So long time no see. I feel like I ain't made a video in a little minute, like a real, you know what I'm saying, what's up, me and you type of video. I have been out for the count. By now y'all probably already know. I'm not sure if I put the video up on this channel, but y'all know I'm pregnant, going through it. If you subscribe to TT3 TV, you know. But yeah, I just been pregnant and sick and exhausted, so I have not really been able to get myself up and do like my clothing haul that I literally was supposed to do probably a month ago. But here I am. Okay, my hot girl summer kind of got, you know, toned down. You know, a bitch got pregnant, so I don't even know if this is gonna be considered a hot girl summer trial. Girl, my hot girl summer is just, I mean, summer is already ending, but my hot girl summer is officially like, it's dead. I'm out for the count, y'all. I'm passing the torch, okay? I can't participate. So this was supposed to be a hot girl summer fashion haul, okay? But y'all get that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and try on these clothes. I did get like some little hot mama pieces. Hopefully, once I drop this baby in April, I can, you know, still wear these clothes and be cute next summer, okay? Next summer, I'm not getting caught up next summer. You better just hear what I'm saying. I'm not getting caught up next year. So hopefully next summer I can really put these outfits to use and give me a real nice hot girl summer next year, 2020. But anyway, this video, of course, is sponsored by African Mom. Y'all know I love me some African Mom. Be hooking your girl up with the pieces, with the cute little pieces. So we're gonna see what they're looking like today. If you're interested in seeing these hot girl summer pieces on a sick and pregnant mama, go ahead and keep watching. Y'all ready for this one? This is cute. This is a mama approved dress too. Like, this is really cute. Now listen, ever since I've been sick, okay, throwing all my weight up, I done lost all my little thickness. So if you here for thick tea, you're not gonna see her. Like, I just lost so much weight. Like, this first trimester has been honestly so horrible for me. Just like, I can't eat, I can't keep my little weight up because I've been so sick. So yeah, a lot of this stuff is probably gonna be loose because I noticed that this is like pretty, it's not loose but it's like, you know, it's a little bit big, just because I did lose, like, I lost a good amount of weight. So thick tea is not here today. This is the frail tea that y'all get today. Y'all gonna take what I give you, period, okay? So anyway, I really like this dress. I like the feel of this dress because honestly, I like the little bit of room. I'm gonna need a little bit of room anyway in some months to come. I'm not showing now because I'm only, what, 9 weeks. So yeah, I'll be 9 weeks tomorrow. So I'm not really showing now. I got like a little blump. Not really a bump, but I got like bloat. So yeah. But in the months to come, I'll definitely need that extra room. And I think this is cute. Like, I can honestly see this like as a fall time outfit too. Even though it was supposed to be for my hot girl summer, it's okay. I can still do like fall time with this, with some boots, or booties, or like a jacket or something. My little bump gonna be popping or whatever. So I like this. This cute. All right, I don't know. This dress is cute. I'm not a huge fan of it for a couple reasons. I feel like it's kind of see-through. I don't know if y'all can see through it, but I don't know. I feel like it's a little see-through and it's a little short, girl. I don't know if it's because I'm about to be a mama of 3, but girl, this is real hot. I mean, I guess this will work out for, you know, your hot girl summer, but for right now, I just can't see myself wearing like this short of, like, this is super short, and I'm short. I'm only about 5'1", 5'2". Like, this is really short. I feel like if I was wearing this, I would keep having to like pull it down, but it's a cute dress. It's cute. Definitely won't be able to wear this in months to come. Okay, it's gonna, no, this ain't gonna work out, but I guess for right now, I could do a little something with this. Maybe a little, you know, jacket on or something. Maybe. We'll see if Mr. Anthony is gonna let me out the house with this one. We'll ask him. Period, boo. This is cute. I like this one. I like the form on this one. See-through. I know that this one is see-through because I really see it. Like, I literally, I have on a thong, so you might not be able to like see-through. I don't know. Do that make sense? But if I was to have on like some colorful panties or something, you're gonna be able to see all of that because I can see like the trim of my, you know, stuff going on. So that's something I don't like, is the sheerness of this one. But other than that, this is cute. And you can also see, like, I don't know if y'all can see that, my little it's not a bra, but it's like one of those nipple things So yeah, you can tell that this dress is see-through, but this is like super cute. And this is actually like kind of mama approved because it's stretchy. So I can see this with my bump growing or whatever. And I like it. This is pretty. This is real cute. I might wear this tomorrow. Okay, little fake Burberry. This is cute or whatever. I like this. It's nice and simple. I like the fit and feel of this one. It's real comfortable. Everything is kind of, you know, you can zip it all the way up. This is a good like cover up where you can wear, you know, a good sturdy bra and all of that. But the only thing with this one is it is a little short. I feel like I'll be playing with this one too. But it's cute though. This is giving me like 2000s, early 2000s vibes. I really like this one. What y'all think? You know what? They did my favorite color right with this one. This is my favorite color. And I low-key think this is my favorite dress so far. The length is perfect because you ain't got to be, you know what I'm saying? Like, I just love this dress. It feels good. The fit is perfect. Like, girl. Yes, honey. Yes, I love this. I'm going to definitely be wearing this sometime soon. And I got pink toes. Oh, I match. I love this. Oh, I love this dress so much. It's so girly. It's so flirty. It's so cute, y'all. Like I said, pink is my favorite color. And I love like the button design. I love it. This is like this is a nice dress. I like it. I don't really know. This was almost cute. This is my only issue with African Mom. The little part right here, it be so big, and then it be leaving you with the little, you know what I'm saying, little coochie cut. The little area right here just be a little big, so it be leaving you with the little, you know what I'm saying. So I don't know. This was almost cute. It is cute, but I don't know. I can't say I'm 100% feeling this. I don't know. I guess y'all gonna have to comment below on this one because I don't really know how I'm feeling, but it's alright. I like the material though. All of these clothes that I got are like super stretchy, which I love because I'm all for comfort and cute. Hey, yellow bird. This kind of cute. I'm kind of feeling this. This is actually kind of cute. It's not like too tight. It gives you like a little room. That's probably just because I lost weight, but you know, it's still like that stretchy material. This is also a little see-through. I did notice that a lot of these clothes I got this time is a little see-through, which I don't like. I mean, who likes showing what they got underneath? But you can just like see the tag right here. You can't really see nothing else. You just gonna have to wear it to home. Like, that's something to definitely keep in mind. You can kind of see like my bra see-through up there, so that's something I don't like, but I do like this for it. It's cute or whatever, cute little mama. Okay, you can tell I picked out all of these clothes before I knew I was pregnant because who about to be wearing this? Who mama is about to be wearing this? Like, girl, thought I was having me a hot girl summer. Yeah, I actually really like this. It's a cute little fit or whatever. I just know it ain't gonna last long with that situation, but maybe next summer I can bring her back out because I do like this. I like the color. Orange is like one of my colors now, you know what I'm saying? I be stepping out of my box because I be wearing dark colors all the time, but this summer I really tried to step out my box and I feel like I did, like with my oranges and my brights and stuff. Y'all know neon is in. This is another probably like once I get to showing some more, probably just wear this at home to be comfortable because this is really comfortable. It's nice and stretchy. It's not like super stretchy, but it do give you some room to, like, you know what I'm saying, breathe and stuff. So this is so cute. Again, my favorite color. They did it right. Like, I love how comfortable this is. I really like this because it's not like all out because you get to like close it up, you know what I'm saying, bring the shirt and the skirt together. It's not a dress, it's a two-piece. It's a skirt and a shirt, but I like how like closed in this one is. I feel real comfortable in this one, and then it's my favorite color. So yes, this is cute. Same thing with this one. It's see-through. I can see my whole little nipple pads right here. I can also see this one like for the fall time with a little blue jean jacket over it and stuff. So I can whoa, who she thinks she is. You could definitely tell I got this when I was trying to be a little thot. Like, girl. And this is so cute too. Like, what? Baby girl. I like the fit. I like how this feels. Like, this is cute. This is like hot girl summer approved. Like, this is too cute. I could probably still wear this one low key. It's kind of revealing, but I think I could be a thot one of these days. The pregnant ladies be thots. I don't know, but maybe I could be like a little bit of a, you know, for one day, maybe. I don't know. No, I could also see this like on the beach or something, because it kind of reminds me of like a swimsuit, low-key, or like if you just going like, you know, chilling at the beach or something. You ain't trying to get in the water though, you just trying to be cute. I like this. This is my favorite thought piece. See, I done brought it back in, toned it back down, back to the mommy material type of clothing. But I like this outfit. I just don't really like this shirt because of the fit, probably because I'm in the itty bitty titty committee. It's just like a lot of room right here to where it's like, girl, who gonna hold this shirt up? Not you. You're gonna have to give it to somebody else. Like, maybe I'll have enough milk in the months to come to fill the shirt up, but right now, no. I like the back. I like this dip or whatever. I like these pants or shorts or Bermuda shorts, whatever they call, but I don't like how they not stretchy. Like, they don't give you like really no room. They're not the stretchy type of jeans or whatever, but they are super cute. I like the distress or whatever. Real cute. I could definitely wear these for right now. I'm gonna have to give them up pretty soon because they're not gonna grow with me, but they are super cute. And I haven't had like Bermuda shorts, that's what we call them, I guess, growing up, but I haven't worn like Bermuda shorts in like a long time, so I'm excited to have these. I'm gonna definitely be wearing these for the rest of the summer and fall. Cute, cute. And then this material too, I mean, I know my booty done got flat since I lost a little bit of weight, but this material don't help at all because it's like smushing everything, because the material is so like stuck and tight. So it's kind of like smushing my little bit of booty that I do have in. I don't like that part. Like, if they were stretchy, it would kind of, you know, let your curves breathe a little bit, but girl, these pants said she not letting you breathe, not today. But other than that, it's kind of cute or whatever. I'm kind of feeling it. It's straight. The shirt ain't gonna work out. I know that for a fact because it's already like, it's just not gonna work out. Me and this shirt not gonna be friends. That's all right, but you know, y'all will see these pants. So that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know which ones were your favorite looks. I did have a few of them, but I'm gonna let y'all go ahead, comment down below your favorite looks if you had any. Like always, if y'all interested in African Mom, make sure to click those links down below, all their information. They always got a nice little price, nice little sale or whatever going on, so make sure y'all go check them out. Make sure to check out my Instagram to see some pictures of my cute little fits or whatever at Tierra Jazz. Follow me here. Hold on, I'm out of breath. Break up problems. Whew, I didn't even do nothing. Whew. Anyway, girl, thank y'all so much for watching. I love y'all so much. Appreciate you. Make sure you hit that thumbs up. Drop a comment down below, and I'll see y'all in my next video.